I'm driving down the road, memories in my rear view. The new ride's got all these texts, but I still think of you. That old CRV, she was my steady guide. Now I'm sitting in this brand new Honda with all the latest. Feels like I'm cheating, but can't help but be amazed. State of the art, but you'll always have my heart. Adaptive cruise and lane assist, oh, they drive so smooth. But every button makes me miss those simpler truths. With each mile I take in this tech wonderland, I feel a tug, a gentle ache. Now I'm sitting in this brand new Honda with all the latest.